Okay, yeah, so this is the feeder pillar I'm talking about. So from the pole there, we bought the armored cable about 9 meters. Yeah, into the what? Into the feeder pillar. So when power comes in, like here, this is where the prepaid and everything is. And then when power comes in, now from here, this is where now we get the power. Now to distribute to the house, and if there is any activities that we have to do with the power, then we have to get power from here. This is the 3-phase, which means it is stable. So here, this is what we did exactly. We just bought the feeder pillar, we did everything. So we get power from the feeder pillar, and then there is a house there. There is whatever we want to put in, which means we are getting power from the feeder pillar. ZESCO will come to do the 3-phase. Then therefore, everything that will be done around in the farm, it will be your business.